So this is our last morning in this place with this view. And today we're off to somewhere new.
Before we head off on our next adventure, we say goodbye to the best Airbnb host we have ever had, over a cup of coffee and some incredible sweet treats. Part of why we love travel so much is meeting good people like these guys here, and we can't wait to catch up with them again in the future.
It's been a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been so nice. And Bobby and Fanny are so welcoming, like they make you feel like part of the family, you know,
Yeah.
welcome you into their home and feed you delicious treats.
You still finishing your Doro mooncake there.
That was delicious.
It was, wasn't it? I've got a whole box of those.
I just can't get over how nice it's been staying here.
We'll have to come back when it's all been finished.
There's good people up there.
Maybe we'll come and stay for a month. I could stay here for a month. Gym on the doorstep, banging beach.
Come and see little Lily and...
Yeah, loads of places to explore. We'll be back. So we got to go rent a bike so that we got one each, and then we're going to take all of our stuff to the next place that we're staying.
Yep, on these two bikes. But apparently the ride to Nacpan from El Nido is really beautiful. So yeah, wish
Yeah,
us
it'll be
luck.
fun. So we've got ourselves two bikes. Now we've got to go see if we can fit all our luggage on them. And then make it the, what was it, like 45-minute drive, 30-minute drive? It's always so fun when we got our own bikes. Woo! Okay, this is a good start. It literally just started raining. Just as we're on the way to go pick up our bags. Okay, this is a little bit ridiculous and it might be a bad idea. How you feeling, Tiff?
Pretty excited. I guess if I fall, at least I'm cushioned.
Don't fall. Should we jump on and see?
Yeah, let's see.
Should we stop a little bit down the road to discuss if everything's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Alright. Mine doesn't look quite as drastic, but I've got nowhere to put my feet. Found a new place for my feet, and it's right now. It's pretty comfy actually. Everything with us. So Tiff's stacked up, I'm stacked up, and then I've got a bag on my back as well.
It's a beautiful journey, and it's actually really not that hard.
It's not
so
that bad,
far.
is it?
Yeah.
I feel like there'll be a lot of backpackers watching this like, yeah, come on, that's how everyone does it. some nice people have come to help with our bags. That was actually not too bad driving with our with all our bags on our bike.
No, it really wasn't that bad, yeah. Thankfully,
It's actually pretty fun.
Come to help us. I feel so bad that carrying my bag in your bag is so heavy.
So
I always feel terrible when people help us with our bags.
this place looks cool already.
That was such a beautiful drive.
Yeah, it's so nice. Oh wow. This place is nice. These little signs. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers. Yeah, this place is nuts. Look at this beach. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow.
After that long ride, yeah, we're both very sweaty. I think we need to cool down a little bit. Oh, that's so
How is it? Is it good?
It's so nice.
Is it cold?
It's warm.
Is it actually?
Well, it's tepid. I have a feeling over there it's going to be really hot.
Yeah, let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. I feel like we've just turned up to some pure luxury.
This is exactly what we need after almost a month of running like mad chickens around the Philippines. It's been
Almost a month, isn't it?
yeah, it's been a crazy adventure, and ending it off in one of the
Style.
most beautiful places I've ever seen.